Hi guys, Cristina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Hope everyone is doing great and having an amazing week. I'm actually studying at the moment. I'm doing a course, like a proper course, cakes and cupcakes and birthday cakes and wedding cakes and anyway, anyhow, I'm at module 5. Module 5 says to bake some muffins. Obviously I have baked some cupcakes. It's cupcakes and muffins. I've already done the cupcakes for Easter last week, so I am only going to do the muffins now. And I chose to do 2 different type of muffins, one savoury and one sweet. I have an amazing book which my lovely neighbours gave me for my birthday last year. This little book, 500 recipes. And I found the courgette and feta muffin recipe, which we're gonna try today. Of course, we're gonna do the same recipe after, but with the sweet ingredients. I will explain for you guys. So let's see what ingredients we need for this, guys. Okay, guys. So all this craziness here. The first thing that we've done is to preheat the oven at 175 degrees. And butter up a 6-hole muffin tin. Yeah, I have a pretty deep muffin tin for this one. So ingredient wise, we will use 250 grams of plain flour. There is added to that one a pinch of salt and 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Yeah, then we have 2 eggs. We have 115 milliliters of virgin olive oil. It's a Greek recipe. I forgot to mention that. And then they say to add 1.5 tablespoons of grated lemon. I have noticed that this is a whole lemon, the zest of a whole lemon. So you guys know it's a whole lemon zest grated in here. 115 again grams of salted feta cheese. Yeah, and here the dill, it's my add to it. You don't have to add the dill if you don't like it. We have here 175 grams of courgette, grated courgette as well. I'm adding the dill because I like dill, and I said it will be a different touch for this recipe. So right, so what we need to do first, we need to sift the flour, which is basically our dry ingredient, on here, with the baking powder. Yeah, let me do this. All the way around. So we're sifting this here quickly first. Okay, the pinch of salt. We're adding the salt. Right. Oh, all the sifted ingredients. We need to put in a bigger bowl. Put that aside in a bigger bowl. The eggs with the olive oil, and at this stage I need to put my mixer on. They say to put your mixer on until the eggs and the oil are smooth. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the mixer on to here and I'll come back to you guys. Here we go. We're gonna put them in the oven and we're gonna come back when they are out and ready. See you guys soon. Hey guys, so we're in the second part of today's muffin. This is the first tray of muffins. I've used the 12 holes ones in the end, and I got 11. So I am very, very happy with them. They actually have a bit of a rise as well, and they smell really, really good. Feta, as I said, courgettes, yeah, and my touch with the dill. We're gonna have this for dinner tonight with some chicken. But what I'm doing now, I'm doing the same batch but sweet, the sweet ones. So for this one, I am replacing the olive oil. I already beat the egg with the oil. I'm replacing the olive oil with vegetable oil. I'm replacing the cheese, the salted feta cheese with Philadelphia, yeah, soft creamy cheese, and I'm replacing the lemon with vanilla. I'm also replacing the courgettes with raisins. Yes, that's all. Everything else is the same. The flour, the baking powder, obviously replace the salt with sugar, and normal buttering the tin. I'm using actual muffin cases this time. Yep. So we're gonna do this quickly, and I'll come back to you guys shortly and show you how it looks like. Don't go anywhere. Okay guys, there we go. 2 batches of muffins, one salted, one sweet. As I said, they look really, really nice. This is the sweet one, yeah. As you can see, there is a bit of a rise as well, considering it's just plain flour and I haven't really mixed it up to make them risen a lot. I'm really happy with this. Yeah, feel free to try this yourselves, guys. I wanted to thank you so much for staying with me for all these hours. I think it was about 3 in total, but all in all, I'm really happy with it. And please, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and as always, go break an egg, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.